Now it's time for our second guest. Here he is, all the way from Europe. Here's Clancy, the common frog. Hi. Don't tell me you want to hear my life. You want to hear my life. You want to hear about my life. Well, let's hear it. We can reach 24 to 3.5 inches in length, and are olive green, brown, gray brown, or yellowish colored. Now, what do you eat? Our tadpoles feed on algae in the water, while adults feed on invertebrates such as flies, worms, snails, and slugs. Now, what? What about the status? We are listed as least concern. Now, thanks, Clancy, for showing what's left for a common frog. It's time for me to sing my song. And here's Clancy the Common Frog singing the Common Frog Song.
I'm an amphibian sort. No, I can't give you a what. Isn't this neat? Oh, look at my feet. Aren't my legs so short? Really can't tell you why. Think I'll go eat a fly. Feeling froggy. Feeling froggy. I got a lifelong bond here with this nice long pond. Think about it, I must admit, haven't seen much beyond. Maybe I'll make a dash. Maybe I'll take a splash. Feeling froggy. Feeling froggy. Just as easy as it sounds, I got here my lips and bounds. Come on over to my pad. When you meet me, you'll be glad, and you'll find out it's not so bad. Feeling froggy. Oh, I don't mean to gloat. Ain't this a pretty throat? It's how I make my noise, a sound the world enjoys. I guarantee you'll have a good time. Why don't you hop in? The water's fine, and later on you will be meeting my family. Everyone does. Look at my cuz sitting up in that tree. Every pool's a deep one. Every year's a leap one. Feeling froggy. Feeling froggy.
Way to go, Clancy. Thank you. I'll see you later, eh? And now it's time for Animal Awards.